Hello everyone, today I am presenting you what I am wearing this summer. Credit to Emma Chamberlain. I don't know if she started this, I don't know if it's a trend, I don't know what it is, but I saw her do this video and I was like, I want to share what I'm wearing this summer. So before I say anything else, this might not be some of your guys' style. I mean, it's honestly, what am I even saying? It's pretty basic. You see, I try really hard not to like follow trends or like wear what everyone else is wearing. But it's kind of hard when like what's at the stores is the trends, like basically what everyone else is wearing. Does that make sense? Try to go out of the box a little bit, but it doesn't always work in my favor because I lose some creativity. With that being said, I'm just gonna show you guys a few clothing items or types of clothes that I am gonna be wearing this summer, or that I want to wear this summer. First item of business, the first number of business, whatever it's called, sets. I feel like one of the main things that I'm gonna be wearing this summer are just like sets in general, like a little top and like skirt set, like that match, you know what I'm talking about? I feel like wearing sets is so much easier than, you know, having to pick out an outfit, like a random pair of shorts and like a random top and making it work together, which I mean, I love doing that, like it's fun and it works most of the time. There's a bunch on Shein that I actually have on my wish list that I am planning to buy soon. I normally don't like oh my god, what's the word? Monochrome, I think it's called. Like where it's all one color. I normally don't like that, but I did find this set on Shein. I'll put it on the screen and it's like this orange one and I just think it's so cute. I feel like my main colors that I am going to be wearing this summer are just main colors that I like for the summer. Of course pink. Orange is a really big one. I don't know, I feel like I'm getting really into orange right now. So like a key lime green. Of course yellow, I mean, that's like the ultimate summer color. Those are like my main colors this summer that I'm gonna be wearing a lot, especially with sets. I just love sets. They're just so simple and you don't have to stress about putting an outfit together. Next item, I actually just mentioned in, I think it was one of my summer videos that I just did, dresses. As I said in that other video, why doesn't anyone wear dresses? They do wear dresses, but why don't they? Does that make sense? Like I feel like people wear dresses, but they don't. I'm not making sense at all, but in my mind I'm making sense. What I'm trying to say is that like people only wear dresses to like events or like little get-togethers, but I think they should start wearing them all the time. In the mall with your friends, wear a dress. You're going to there, wear a dress. There, wear a dress. Don't feel, you know, suffocated in a dress, and I feel like I can breathe, and I don't know, I just think they're perfect for the summer because I cannot stand the heat. So many different types of dresses, so many materials. I really like satin. I'm actually wearing like a satin one right now. Satin's really good for the summer because I feel like it's very, you know, light and not too heavy on me. Some good places that I like to buy dresses from are like Forever 21, Shein, because like it's cheap, and yeah, I don't really shop. Oh, Urban Outfitters has really cute dresses. I don't really shop anywhere else, but yeah. Next item of business, I feel like it was kind of a trend, and I guess it still kind of is, but it's not like a trend, like, you know what I'm talking about? For example, like, you know, like the scrunchie trend, you know, everyone was wearing scrunchies, literally everyone. I feel like what I'm about to say was a trend, but it's not like a trend. Also, there are so many sirens, I'm sorry if you hear that. But I'm talking about colorful tennis skirts, not just normal ones. I'm talking about colorful ones. All different color tennis skirts, not just black and white. I want a pink tennis skirt, I want a green tennis skirt, I want a blue tie, I want a yellow, I want all the colors. Reason being is because tennis skirts are the comfiest thing ever. I'm talking about the like stretchy material, like actual tennis skirts. I haven't been able to really find like colorful tennis skirts anywhere. I feel like that stretchy material is just really good for the summer because, as I mentioned with the dresses, you can breathe. Yeah, if anyone knows where I can get like colorful tennis skirts, not just like the basic white and black ones, let me know. It also kind of makes me want to be a court girl, like at a golf course. Okay, next clothing item is actually swimwear. I love a nice basic bikini. I recently got this one bathing suit. It's brown, it's from Shein, and it has a little ring like right here in the middle of your chest, and I think that is the cutest thing ever. Basically, the next thing that I'm going to be wearing are bikinis with rings in them. I really don't know how else to title that. The ring style if that makes sense. For example, for bottoms, they would have like the rings on each side of your hips. I don't know, I just love the look of the little ring in a bikini. It just adds a little spice. Those are my bikini vibes this summer. Also like sparkly bikinis. I love sparkles. I think sparkles are the cutest thing ever, and they make you pop out. Last thing, I actually have somewhere here, but I don't want to get up to find it. Talking about sunglasses, a little accessory moment. I'm really into, you know, the boxy type look with sunglasses. Basically only have like black and brown colored sunglasses, but I want to get into colorful sunglasses. I just want a pair of some colorful boxy sunglasses. I even have a pair to match each outfit. I could never do that. That would cost me like, no. I mean, when I'm older and if I hopefully get rich, pray for me, I will have a matching pair of sunglasses for every outfit, and a pair of matching earrings, and matching rings. So that kind of leads me into the next thing. I want colorful rings. You've probably seen them on like Pinterest and TikTok, but the ones with the cool designs, they're like clay rings, I guess. I think they are clay rings. I honestly have no idea. If you want to wear like a basic white or black outfit during the summer, you can have your colorful sunglasses and colorful rings. And also, I can't forget about like colorful beaded necklaces. I think that you could wear with just like a basic outfit. This is something that you could literally, you know, make at home. Like, this is what we used to do in elementary school and middle school. I think beaded necklaces are gonna be a really big thing for me this summer. So yeah, that's pretty much it for what I'm wearing this summer. Leave in the comments what you guys are gonna be wearing this summer. Give me some more ideas. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and always be commenting video requests, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!